Everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Somto. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute hairstyle on your baby girl. My baby girl is currently 4 months old, but you can make this hairstyle on toddlers as well. So the first thing I did was wait for her to fall asleep. After she fell asleep, I'm going to take the Cantu for Kids leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to take some on my palm and massage that into her hair. My baby girl's hair is very thick. She has like really strong, thick afro. That's why I've been using the Cantu leave-in conditioner for Kids on her. Then after applying the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to go ahead with my spray bottle just to soften and dampen her hair a little bit because her hair is thick. Then after that, I'm going to take a white tooth comb and detangle her hair. I'm going to be doing it very gently. She didn't even allow me to make her hair this time around, guys. Like, she kept on waking up. You will see. Just watch till the end and you're gonna see. She kept on waking up and falling asleep. It was stressful, guys. After detangling her hair, then I'm going to part. I'm going to be parting three in the front and just 2 in the back. I'm going to part the side by side, then in the middle. You see what I'm doing, just watch it. All right, she just woke up, guys. After parting, I'm going to start making small ponytail. I'm going to just part out a small ponytail, tie that with a rubber band. I'm doing it very gently. Then I part out another small ponytail. I'm going to connect the ponytail that I just made to the other ponytail that I'm about to make right now. You will see exactly what I mean. I'm going to tie the second ponytail and then I'm going to connect the first ponytail that I made to the second ponytail. I'm going to do this all through till I get to the middle of her hair. You see exactly what I mean. I just connected the 2 ponytail, making it into one. I'm going to part another small ponytail again, and I'm going to connect this ponytail that I already have to the one I'm parting and tie it together. If your baby's hair is really short, then you want to make all the ponytails one by one. I did that at the back. Then you want to start connecting them together. But the aim right here is to connect all the ponytails together, getting at least one, so that when you are done making the hair, you're going to have a total of 5 points. Yes, because I made 3 in the front, three points in the front and 3 points at the back. I really hope that you understand this, guys. Making a 4-month-old baby's hair is work.
In a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't want want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la 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 la, la 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
about 5 points. Look at 1 2 3 4 5. Now I'm going to take this kinky hair that I used before to make my hair when I was pregnant. I'm going to take it, I'm just going to divide it, and I'm going to attach a rubber to it, the rubber that I used to make her hair previously. I'm going to tie it to the hair, to the artificial hair. Then I'm going to just attach it to all the ponytails that I made. I want to make one bun, okay? I'm just going to attach it to all the end points of the ponytail. Everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. Just like this. After I attach it, I'm going to then gather everything together with another rubber band. Then I'm going to roll this into a bun, just like this. You can decide to make more than one bun, but I just really wanted to make one bun for her. Then I'm going to put this fancy stuff that I got together with the rubber band. I'm going to use it and design, just place it on the bun. And yeah, that is the final result, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to thumbs me up, subscribe to my channel. I love you all so very much. Till next time, bye bye from ibuchim. Bye.